Wear and tear on shafts can reduce performance and rob the life of your pump or motor. Industrial pump and motor repairs experienced technicians can recondition shafts to like-new condition at a significant cost savings over replacement and can be completed with a fast turnaround time. Industrial pump and motor repair utilizes flame spray technology to metallize or flame spray the surface of the shaft. Unlike traditional welding processes, which can warp the shaft, flame spray welding provides enough heat for reconditioning a shaft surface without damaging the straightness or integrity of the shaft. All reconditioning and flame spray welding is handled by in-house experienced machinists with over 150 years of combined experience. Following the flame spray process, the shaft is then expertly machined to a like-new condition, assuring optimal performance for your pump or electric motor, saving you valuable time and money. For more information, visit our website at www.industrialpumpandmotor.com.